They basically have to prosecute based on their policies. So they're not press charges, which means you're going to be arrested.
Oh my God.
You're going to be taken to the Orange County Jail.
Oh my God, please don't.
Not too far from here.
I'm on a field trip with my children. Please don't do this.
But, well, it's
I'm
out of our
sorry.
hands at this point, so we just need you to stand up.
Oh my God.
Stand up, face the wall.
Back.
Change
Oh
mine
my
back.
God. Please don't
The other way?
do this. Please don't do this. Please, I'm sorry. Please don't do this.
Totally for all that work.
Yeah, it's a ridiculous amount of items that you have in your possession.
Who else are you here with that we can give your all your jewelry and stuff to?
I'm here on a school field trip with my kids.
Are they here at the park right now?
No, they already went back to the hotel.
Okay, so what other adults are here with you?
I'm here just, I have a list, I can give it to you. So,
You mean that are physically on property that still?
no, they were meeting at 8 o'clock and they were leaving at 8 o'clock.
Okay, so no one's still here.
No.
Okay.
Alright.
So what's the deal?
You're being charged with grand theft. Third degree
Felony in the state of Florida.
Right.
Okay, so how long will I be in jail?
So you bond out.
So you bond out.
Oh my God.
$2,000.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
You can seek a bail bondsman and they can work out an arrangement with you if they need to.
Okay.
Okay?
Can I make a phone call?
At this point, no.
Okay.
You'll have that opportunity to, make that phone call and get to the jail.
Okay.
So I'm gonna just put all this stuff in your bag. Yeah, I got it. Actually, I'll bring it. Or you park right out here.
Yeah.
All right, I'll bring it.
I'll walk. You don't have to leave me. It's okay.
Sorry, it's our policy.
Okay.
That way,
No
if you don't have
problem.
hands, if you trip and you don't have
right.
hands to catch your
Oh,
ball,
well, that's.
you're gonna eat pavement with your face.
Well, I don't want to do that.
Right. So we don't want to be
It's
responsible for
wet
that
out
either.
there.
So we hold on.
It's raining, so.
Do you have anything on you that's gonna poke us, stick us, stab us? Jury search or something?
No.
We can do that here.
Move over a little bit.
Like small bag. Or
You could try that one. If not, yeah, it's not meant to be a backpack. They consider it a handbag.
It's on a suitcase. Just stand by, let me grab that for you.
Part jewelry in there. Gonna be more time for that?
For jewelry?
Yeah.
No, they'll take it all off them.
Yeah, we're gonna give him two things.
This is horrible.
Yeah, I get it, right. Same way you came in.
Yeah.
Alright, ready?
Let's go, sir. On the other side.
Oh, sorry, Cap.
Let me actually, give me one second. Grab the seatbelt for you. Got it.
Sorry, through pretty well.
These are really tight.
Oh,
They're really tight on my
they're tight.
Yeah, it's okay.
Here, I'll fix them when we get there. You got gloves? Yeah. Just make sure there's nothing contraband-wise in there.
What's that?
1500?
Yeah. Oh, with the 17?
He stole a lot of stuff.
Really? Like what?
Why?
Like what?
Socks, wands. He had like 6 or 7 wands.
Oh yeah, that's
Staying on
like
the
all
room.
the socks were like $17.99.
Yeah, they are.
He probably had like 20.
yeah. The wands are like $80. $7.
Some of them are a little bit more.
Yeah.
It's not hard to get over that amount. At that little 750.
If we had like 9 or 10 caps, packs, and
Very organized. That's good.
Yeah. I told Love that I put it on, but it's no longer the. I need to talk to Kate about it. Because she's on charge of transportation. She can send it out.
like jewelry that this guy has. Is this the stuff? He still got on what he's wearing.
Yeah, I don't think anyone took anything on.
No, we didn't.
This is the phone you had, right?
Yeah, that's
Okay.
that's his phone.
He didn't know he was going to jail until we walked in.
Is that his name? Oh, he's with a lot of people.
What are those?
Multi-date tickets?
Oh, those were the tickets that belong to the kids. So they just
Ricky
said,
Smith might be his son.
Yeah, one of his
Yeah.
kids.
Yeah. I'm gonna go with that.
yeah,
Sounds right.
he's holding medication for a minor. Hopefully, that's what this is about too.
Same person.
Okay. Yeah, that's what it is. The same person? Oh, well, this actually has his name on it.
Oh,
Okay.
is that the doctor?
Well, no. That's Ricky Smith. What's his
Is that
name?
a beat?
Chauncey Parker.
Yeah, right?
That's big.
That's the same address.
Yeah.
Every time it rings.
USB charger.
Oh, babe.
Oh, vacuum.
Checkbook?
Yep.
Is that a laminated $2 bill?
I haven't seen a checkbook.
Those still exist?
Yeah, apparently. I'm gonna ask him.
Yeah, so at least it's consistent. It's the same person.
Yeah.
Maybe it's like a kid-friendly dummy. This is a heckler.
Oh.
Okay. For migraines. Okay.
Sir?
I'm working on the narrative now, so by the time you get back.
Yeah, that's all right.
Oh, let's take a look at the giraffe. Make sure you got the beat on there.